Welcome to Demolition Ranch. Have you ever wondered what it would sound like to get hit with a 50 cal? I have. We have, what is this, 11.4 pounds of meat. This is pork, and it actually has some ribs in it too, I think. Or not ribs, some bones in it, I mean. And we are going to back up probably about 300 yards so that we won't hear too much of the actual initial blast. We'll just hear the bullet striking this. And we're going to try to accommodate, there's a little bit of wind today, but we're going to try to accommodate for it and hit this thing with these cameras up close so they'll be able to hear what it sounds like to get hit with a 50 cal. All right, we're about 400 yards away. You can see where that truck is. That's where we were shooting before. It's probably 75 yards away from that target. This next clip didn't really turn out like I planned, and I almost didn't even upload it to the channel, but it kind of caught something pretty cool. We went way back far, probably about 400 yards, and we fired that Barrett, and we wanted to get really far away so that the actual gunpowder going off, that loud noise, wouldn't be as loud to the cameras that were near our target. So we scooted way back, we fired it, but it was still ridiculously loud up next to the target. It sounds like a gunshot is going off right next to the camera, and you have to think we're 400 yards away. And what that is, it's catching that 50 cal chunk of lead ripping through the air, and I had no idea how ridiculously loud it was. I mean, I knew bullets made a loud noise when they went through the air, but it's pretty cool. So that's why this video is uploaded. It's not the coolest video, but I thought the sound was pretty neat, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. It's dead.